Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Yelani Betlo, but I go by the name of Queen Lilani on all my socials. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button so you can join the Lani family. And to all the Lani squad, what it do, baby? Anyways guys, on today's video, we're doing a get ready with me. If you want to see how I achieved this gorgeous look, honey, please stay tuned so you can see while I get ready with you. Anyways guys, I will see you at the end of the video. So guys, I decided, you know what, let me do my brows off camera because I did a video not so long ago. I'm gonna link it. It's this one over here. I did a video on how I do these fluffy brows. I'm gonna do my makeup, simple makeup, and my hair. I'm gonna install a wig, and yeah.
no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
But I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her wig? You telling me taste the death. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bit. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want dead it. Party still beating, my niggas still eat it. Back on the little, let it go and they eat it. Pillows talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say
Guys, this is the final look. This is how it looks, honey. I'm still gonna fix my... No, but it's fine. I want it like this. These are the curls I had in this picture over here. So I only put some curls here in front so that I can look bougie. Anyways guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that everyone else can see this video. When you push the like button, it actually sends it out to other people. Please like this video, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button so you can join the Lani family. And to all the Lani family, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys on my next video, but for now, peace and love. Bye.